The image you are viewing is a linocut print by Margaret Burroughs. A linocut is like a woodcut, except that linoleum is used instead for the relief material. Ms. Burroughs would have begun this artwork in 1957 by cutting the image into the linoleum, rolling ink onto it, and then pressing the image onto paper. She made a lot of these prints in her life after being inspired by her study in Mexico and working with a prominent printmaker. This particular print is titled "On the Beach." It is very evident when viewing this image that it is a print. Notice the strong use of line throughout. The image itself seems very happy and playful with all of the young kids involved. Does this scene remind you of a fun time relaxing on the beach? What about this image lets you know that they are on the beach? Is it the use of dots on the ground to resemble sand? Plus, one of the ladies is wearing a swimsuit, while the other two are sitting down, one with her shoes off to the side, so that her bare feet can be touching the sand. Also notice Margaret Burroughs' use of suggestion. The dots on the ground suggest sand, without using full detail or appearing like natural sand. The dots on one of the women's dresses suggests flowers. The figures are outlined, and children are suggested, but no detail is added to their faces. Why do you think she chose to not have facial features on the playful children? It seems that the children do not have identities, but are relatable to all people who have spent time on the beach. The image shows women with their children enjoying the daytime. There are no men in the scene, which makes the viewer think that they are probably off at work, while the mothers are taking care of the children. What do you think this is portraying about American society in the 1950s? While observing this image, you might also notice that some of the figures are colored in, while others are not. Why do you think she did this? Do you think she is suggesting skin color, or just creating contrast and variety? Margaret Burroughs was also a poet and author of children's books. On the Beach seems as it could be a scene from a children's book as well. The children seem to be off in their own small world, discovering and playing and exploring the beach.